Where did this pretty bird went? Beautiful manicure lawn. Beautiful. It grows so fast. I'm sure if you did plant some vegetables or something, they wouldn't grow so fast. Like how the grass grow fast. So one pretty bird in know, but him gone. Mm. Beautiful, beautiful. Alright, somebody's coming, so let's turn this on. Wonder if they get it done. Hope they did. Got it? Awesome. The AC dry up my hands. Dry them out. Totally dried out. It's so cold in there. So I'm getting some fresh air. Welcome in, guys. How y'all doing? This is gonna be a very short video. Yeah. It's a pretty Christmas tree. I'll show you guys. A pretty Christmas tree. Christmas coming in now. Whether we like it or not, it's coming. It's coming. This can be decorated as a nice Christmas tree. I can't wait to see this campus in the Christmas season. Look at this one. This is very tall, very tall, but it can be decorated. All these trees can be decorated for the holiday, for Christmas. Purple lights, white lights. Could be, this place could be like a you know, when you just turn on the lights in a park, just lit it up. It should be awesome with all these trees and yeah, should be a walk in the park in the nights. Because look at these trees, guys. Look at the trees. Look at the trees. And they're all positioned at the right place so that they can be decorated. Yep. See? Trees of all kinds. You have trees and you have flowers. They can be nicely decorated for the holiday, for the Christmas season. Yeah, for the fall season. So beautiful. Pull up that those plants. Look at those plants. Look at those plants, guys. So beautiful. Ideas. Anyone want ideas to decorate a nice plant to put at your doorway? Look at this one. Look at these. These are so cute. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. So cute. Yep. That's the other side. It's so cool under this tree. It's a big, huge tree. It's almost cold. From cool to cold. What are those guys? What making those sounds? What are those? What are those? That those sound like some special insect making those sounds. Mm-hmm. So it's a walk in the park today, guys. I just came on to say happy birthday for those who are having birthday. Happy anniversary for those who are celebrating. Hugs and kisses for those who are grieving. Okay, so I'm gonna sign out. So I'll see you on my next live. But whenever you get a chance to watch this was just a brief live. Okay, so like and share and give me a give me a comment on this video. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.